really tell it's an eagle on top of that tree, but I know it is. Right there on the tippy top. I'm zoomed in as much as I can, but you can't